Ewan ko kung ano yung nadama ng mga disipulo. Ewan ko kung ano yung nadama ng mga apostol. Ewan ko po kayo na nagbabasa ng Biblia. Ewan ko kung meron kayong natatandaan na si Jesus sinabihan niya o in-appreciate niya yung kanyang mga alagad at sinabing, napakalakas ng iyong pananampalataya. Meron po kayong natatandaan o wala?
The people today, they called you king. They think you are a messiah.
But you seem to ignore them. Aren't you going to be our king?
Who do you think I am?
You are the Son of God.
You can't have known this by what you know of me, Peter. It has been revealed to you by God. You are Peter, and on this rock I will build my church.